In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into your Vantage trading account. First, make sure you already have a Vantage account set up. After you log in, click on Accounts in the top menu. Switch to the Live Accounts tab. If you do not have a live account yet, click Open Account, fill in your information, and submit the form. Once your live account is ready, go to the top right corner and click Deposit. On the deposit page, choose which trading account you want to fund. Enter the amount you want to deposit. The minimum deposit is usually around 50 euros, so for example, I will enter 100 euros. If you have a deposit voucher, you can select it here as well. Then click Continue. Now, choose your payment method. Vantage supports several deposit options including credit or debit card, Apple Pay, cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and also offline bank transfer, including international wire transfers. Select your preferred method, follow the instructions, and complete your deposit. That is how you deposit funds into your Vantage trading account. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more trading platform tutorials.